What's going on, guys? So bear with me, I know the lighting sucks, but today I will be replacing the rear over fenders on my STi. I have brand new ones. These came from Gillman Subaru North. I'll drop a link to these in the description down below if you need a pair for your STi. But as you can tell, mine are damaged, cracked, falling apart. They look awful. The other side is almost as bad as this side, but in any case, they both need to be removed. So that's what I'm doing today. I need to use some Goo Gone to remove this because on the back it has adhesive as well as clips. So I need to use the Goo Gone to get rid of the adhesive and double-sided tape, and I have some pry tools right here that I'm going to use to pry these off. But I need to remove these, clean them up, then I could put on my brand new ones, and that means I'm one more step closer to being able to wrap my car. To attach the rear bumper, there's actually a bolt that you have to get to from the inside. I did not have to remove my wheel, although that would make it easier. However, in removing this bolt, it actually sheared off. And not only did it shear off, the rest of the bolt is in the weld nut that's on the inside of the bumper. But I just wanted to say, this is why I hate working on cars, because I can't tell you how many times I've been turning wrenches, and something that should take 2 minutes or 5 minutes or even 10 minutes ends up taking a half hour or an hour or more, and it just kills me. I absolutely hate it. So now, instead of just popping this off and being able to clean this up and go on with my install, now I have to try and either back out the bolt because it's broken off into the nut, or I have to drill another hole and fabricate something so that I can attach my bumper, because I can't just leave it like this. As you can tell, as I drive, it will come off and catch wind and catch air, and that's not good. I don't need a parachute on the back of my car. Alright guys, so that wraps up this install. Aside from the small hiccup I had with the bolt breaking off, it was a very quick and easy install. I would say give yourself about a half an hour per side or so. That's roughly what it took me, minus that little mishap. But it's a pretty quick and easy install to do. The holes on your car match up with the little tabs that are on the back of these pieces, so you don't have to worry about alignment. Just clean it up and take off the backing to the adhesive, snap it on, pops right in place, and then just make sure that you put down some clamps so that it sticks and it won't come off in the future. So if any of you guys have an STi like mine, these pieces are $85 each at Gillman Subaru North. Like I said, I'll drop a link in the description down below. So I hope you guys learned something. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys next time. So you don't have to worry about alignment or anything like that. After that, you just they pop right in. You put on some clamps just to keep it, so I don't know what I'm saying.